Samsung Electronics announced the expansion of its Galaxy Upcycling program, with Galaxy Upcycling at Home, an initiative that gives new life to older Galaxy smartphones by converting them into a variety of Internet of Things devices through a simple software update. Samsung has implemented the beta service for Galaxy Upcycling at Home in the US, the UK and Korea. With Galaxy Upcycling at Home, users can easily turn their old Galaxy devices into smart home devices like a childcare monitor, a pet care solution, and other tools that meet individual lifestyle needs. Samsung is building environmental sustainability into everything we do. This includes taking dedicated action across every stage of the product life cycle to help the world transition to a circular economy that makes greater use of sustainable materials, extends product longevity, and reuses resources. Through programs like Galaxy Upcycling, Samsung intends to deliver innovative technologies that reshape consumer experiences while empowering them to play a part in sustainable practices.